Okay.
You can only craft 2.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to... Okay. I was watching a Minecraft video, but I decided to make a video. So, that right there is just a test mask. It's a frog, but this is only the test mask. This is not Chucky's official mask. This is just a testing mask for an upcoming animatronic that I'm making. But this is Chucky. How he's coming along. But this is only a test mask. See, only a test mask for another animatronic I'm making. And plus, I'm also using it to test how big his mask is going to be, how much material I have to use for his mask. So this is his test mask 101. But this is a fan-made Chuck E. Cheese character I decided to make. Haven't came up with a name for it yet, but you all make up the name. It's a frog animatronic. That's the mask for it. And it's going to be a frog keyboard player. And it's going to be a female. So I need you all to come up with female names for this. Well, not this is Chucky, but the upcoming animatronic. So yes. And he has another movement joint I added. It's the tilting joint, where he gets to tilt, but it's a work in progress. So that's how this one's coming along. Test mask. And see you all in the next video.